Hello students, this video is for class 5th, subject science, lesson 3rd, which is skeleton system. In this video we are going to start our third lesson, and before doing so let me tell you one thing. In the last video, which is question answer part of second chapter, the answer number 7 was incomplete. So in this video I am going to tell the answer number 7, and this is your answer number 7. In the last video it was only showing till the animal migrate and the last line was not visible. So first correct this last answer, which is 7th, and then we will move further. So pause your screen or video and complete this answer, which is 7th. So now let's move to our third chapter. So let's start. You have already studied that our body is composed of cells. There are trillions of cells in a human body. The cells that perform a common function are grouped together to form a tissue. The tissues that carry out the same task form an organ. A group of organs that work together and carry out a function is called organ system. Different organ systems perform different functions and together make up an organism. So every living organism is made up of cell or cells, and in human body there are trillions of cells. First comes millions, then billions, then trillions. And the cells that performs the same function or common function are grouped together to form a tissue, and the tissue that carry the same task form an organ, and the group of organs that work together is called organ system, and different organ system perform different functions and all together make up an organism. So in this video we are going to learn about a skeleton system, which is our bones or the framework of bones which gives us or our body a shape. So let's start. Can you feel something hard below the skin? These are the bones. There is a framework of bones inside our body. This is called a skeleton. It gives shape to the body and protects the internal organs such as heart, lungs and kidneys from getting injured. It enables the movement of the body. So the skeleton system is made to protect the internal organs such as heart, lungs, kidneys, etc. And it also gives a shape to the body and helps in the movement of the body. Now let's move to the next part, which is bones. A newly born baby has more than 300 bones. As he or she grows older, some bones join together. The skeleton of an adult has 206 bones. The bones are of different shapes and sizes. The bones are smooth and hard on the outside. Inside each bone there is a jelly-like substance called bone marrow. This marrow produces blood cells for the body. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus and certain vitamins are essential for bones. So in this paragraph we are getting the information that when the newly born baby has 300 bones, and as it grows those few bones join together, and at the age of being an adult the total number of bones left are 206, and there are very different shapes and sizes of bones. And here is an extra information: osteology is the scientific study of bones which is practiced by osteologists. So the scientific study of bones is known as osteology, and the person who does this is known as osteologist. And each bone, there is a jelly like substance in each bone. Inside each bone there is a jelly like substance called as bone marrow. This marrow produces blood cells for the body. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus and vitamins are essential for bones. So this is enough for this video. In the next video we will be doing parts of the skeleton, and we will be going through each of skull, backbone, rib cage, etc. Thank you.